Get excited about the 2011 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 5-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.